Ansible is a powerful open-source IT automation tool that follows the infrastructure as code (IAC) philosophy. In layman's terms, this means it allows you to manage your IT infrastructure by writing code, making it repeatable, maintainable, and easier to collaborate on. Some key features of Ansible. Simple and easy to use. Ansible uses a YAML-based language that is designed to be easy to read and understand, even for those who are not programming experts. Agentless. Unlike some other configuration management tools, Ansible doesn't require you to install any special agents on the machines you want to manage. Flexible and powerful. Ansible can automate a wide range of tasks, including provisioning new servers, configuring software, deploying applications, and orchestrating complex deployments. Let's start our virtual machine with Ubuntu and Centos. Pull systems like Chef, Puppet, SaltStack. Chef, Puppet, and SaltStack are all configuration management tools, but they differ in their approach to pulling systems into their management fold. Here's a breakdown. Chef. Chef uses a client-server architecture. You install a Chef server and then client software on the systems you want to manage. Puppet. Puppet also uses a client-server architecture similar to Chef. You install a Puppet master server and agent software on the systems you want to manage. SaltStack. SaltStack takes a different approach. It uses a masterless architecture by default. Ansible itself is primarily considered a push-based configuration management tool. This means that unlike pull-based systems like Chef or Puppet that rely on agents on managed devices to check in for updates, Ansible initiates the communication and pushes out the desired configuration to the target systems. Ultimately, the choice between push and pull depends on your specific needs and infrastructure. Ansible's push system offers a user-friendly and secure approach for configuration management, making it a popular choice for many IT professionals. Then we go under the root to both operating systems and update CentOS and Ubuntu using the commands yum update or apt-system command or the Ubuntu sudo command sudo apt-update. Create a folder for Ansible files. Install Ansible itself.